The crystallization looks good here.
Yes, the cooling process was precise. Check the tolerances on this bore.
We start with a single, solid cast, milled to micron accuracy.
Every part meets Rolls-Royce tolerance, or it's rejected.
Twin turbos tuned for whisper quiet power.
That lines up well. Pass me the ratchet for the final twist.
Secure now. The fitment looks perfect.
The calibration is holding steady.
Look, it's indicating a pass. We are good to go.
Heads are built by hand, then machine checked.
If you love luxury content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Inside Luxury, share it with your friends, and don't forget to ring the bell icon.
Now the heart becomes whole, ready for its voice test. We stress it like a lifetime hide, in days. It sings low, but you'll hardly hear it. We stress it like a lifetime, in days.
We are seeing a slight fluctuation on the high pressure sensor.
Noted. Adjusting fuel flow now.
Every engine ships with a personal quality certificate.
The torque curve is holding steady at 4,000 RPM.
Excellent. Check the thermal readings on the rear axle now.
This is where silence becomes a signature.
From Goodwood to the world, with care.
If you love luxury content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Inside Luxury, share it with your friends, and don't forget to ring the bell icon.
The stress concentrations here at the mount point are higher than expected.
Yes, the thermal expansion seems to be amplifying the resonance.
The secret is in the metal's grain.
Look at the shift around the 2K mark on the lookup chart.
That confirms the simulation results for the purple foam. Let's log it.
A V12 that whispers 12. Engineered, not amplified.
We're holding strong at 50 degrees. Thumbs up?
Data confirms stable performance. The cooling system is working.
We simulate decades and days. No surprises for owners.
Containment is successful. The fail-safe mechanism performed as expected.
Fail-safe sequence initiated. All systems reading nominal.
Confirmed. Protocol steps complete. System stabilizing.
It is our distinct pleasure to present you with this plaque commemorating your ownership.
Oh, it is absolutely stunning. Thank you.
That's it for tonight. See you bright and early.
Don't forget to sign off the robots.
Use the fine sanding block, maintaining this precise angle.
I see. It feels much smoother now.
Indeed. The finish must be flawless.
It's built for owners who expect serenity.
Bring the softbox down just a touch. Follow the curve of the manifold.
Right there.
Yes, that's the shot. V8 on the left, older V12 in the center. Notice the difference in the harmonics.
Yes, the new design is significantly cleaner, much smoother overall.
From metal to masterpiece, every step matters.
Make sure it clicks 3 times to ensure the correct torque specification.
Got it. Torque to spec.
We start by marking the center line, then carefully shave the excess until the joint fits seamlessly, just like this.
It's been a pleasure preparing this Phantom for you. Here is the certificate of authenticity.
Thank you. It's absolutely stunning.